Good afternoon, students. This afternoon, I'm going to read to you an information book about plants. I'm continuing to make connections to our learning about life cycles of plants and animals and pollinators and how they're all connected. And one thing I think is really interesting is that not everybody, even some grown-ups, don't really realize where the fruits and vegetables that we eat come from and how they grow and how important pollinators really are. So today we're going to start off with the first book in this series called Carrots Grow Underground. And it's neat because you can see that this is a kind of vegetable that we eat where we eat the part that is underground. And it's part of a series. Here we go. This is by Mary Schuh, and it's a Pebble book. Carrots Grow Underground by Mary Schuh. Oh, and here's the table of contents. Under the soil, growing, flowers and seeds, many vegetables grow underground. Glossary, read more, Internet Sites Index. Under the soil, green stems and leaves sprout from the soil. Underground, vegetables grow larger and larger every day. And I think it's so cute that for the page numbers, they have a little carrot as a decoration in the corner. And look at those carrot greens. And I know some of you guys have things already growing in your gardens, I've heard. Plant roots grow underground. People eat the roots of some plants. Carrots are one kind of root vegetable. So the kinds of vegetables where we eat, the kind of plants where we eat the root, we call those root vegetables. And here's the life cycle of a carrot. From the little tiny seeds to a seedling to the carrots, and then the carrots, if you don't take them out of the ground, we'll see it looks like they have some flowers growing. And there's a diagram. We learned that as a nonfiction text feature. A diagram helps us understand about something with kind of pictures and shapes and arrows. Growing. Carrots start as tiny seeds. They are planted in cool weather. In 1 to 3 weeks, seedlings grow slowly above the soil. And there's the close-up. There's the teeny tiny carrot seeds. And there's the seedlings. Under the soil, the carrots grow longer and thicker. Deep, loose soil helps carrots grow long and straight. Wow, and there you can see it growing down, and look at all those little tiny things coming off the main root. And it doesn't quite look like a carrot yet, right? It's kind of pale. Long stems and lacy leaves grow from the carrot tops. So this is what's happening on top of the ground. It's growing a green plant, right? After 2 to 3 months, crunchy vegetables are pulled from the ground. Flowers and seeds. Carrots that stay underground all winter grow flowers and seeds the next year. Later, the tiny carrot seeds become new carrot plants. So if you don't pull up all of your carrots, if you leave some of them in the ground, they will eventually grow flowers, and then seeds will fall out of the flowers, and you'll get new carrots plants the next year. Many vegetables grow underground. Many vegetables grow the way carrots do. Radishes, beets, and parsnips are other root vegetables. And here's another diagram with arrows and labels showing radishes, beets, and parsnips are other vegetables that grow underground. Root vegetables. Onions and potatoes start their life in the ground too. Vegetables grown underground give us healthy food to eat. And there's onions and potatoes. Oh, and here's the glossary. read more internet sites, and the index. And I like this new word, seedling. You know, we learned sapling when we learned about Johnny Appleseed in the very beginning of the school year, that a sapling is a baby tree. Well, a seedling is a young plant that has grown from a seed, a seedling. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little book about how carrots grow underground. And I have something special, a little quick special thing to show you about root vegetables. Just a second. Hi students, I just wanted to show you something quick. So that book was about how carrots grow underground, and it had orange carrots. And I know that some of you have seen this before, but not everybody maybe has. You know, carrots can come in different colors. You can get purple carrots and yellow carrots and orange carrots. And they're all so delicious. They're so delicious to eat like vegetable sticks or cooked, right? And the book talked about how potatoes grow underground. So I'm sure that many of you have probably seen little white potatoes and red potatoes before. But did you know that there is also such a thing as purple potatoes? And in fact, this purple potato, I've let it go too long. I'm not going to eat it. It's already sprouting. I'm thinking maybe I'll just go and plant it outside and see what happens. And there's even other root vegetables that they didn't mention in the book. This is a beet. Yeah, that's another kind of delicious root vegetable that you can enjoy. It comes in beautiful colors. Purple, this one's a golden one. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit about vegetables that grow underground. And we'll continue our learning about plants and fruits and vegetables in the coming week. And I hope you have a nice afternoon. Please be sure to get outside, get some fresh air, keep washing your hands, cover your coughs and sneezes, do some reading and some writing, work on your goals. Maybe ask your parents to write to me about what your goals are and how you're doing on that. And take care. I love you guys. Miss you. Bump.